If you are having issues with your Google Adsense account and is leading to a situation when you are unable to link that account to your YouTube account or to your website, then in such a situation it's going to be better that you just delete the account or close that account. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do on this video. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, in order to delete your Google AdSense account, simply go to adsense.com on your browser. So once you've gotten to their website, just log into that AdSense account that you want to delete or rather close. So once you've done that, you see at the menu here, you see different options at the menu. So just scroll down a little bit and you are going to see account. So once you click on account, let me click on it. Once you click on account, you are going to see account information. You can see it right there, right? So what you have to do is just click on account information. So once you click on that, you are going to see an option to delete your account. So let me scroll down. So you can see it there, close account. So what you have to do is just click on that to close the account. So let me show you guys how this works, because I'm actually going to delete this account. So you have to click on this option and then click on close account. And that's it. It's quite easy. You can see, thanks for using AdSense, you have successfully closed the account. So that's how it works. It's quite simple. So anytime that you want to delete or rather close your AdSense account, this is the procedure to delete and close your AdSense account. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.